Kuzuzangpo, welcome to
Bhutan e-learning project. My name is Kilebida from Mendagang Primary School under Punakha Jongkhok.
My name is Doji Dolma from Jimina Primary School under Thimpu Zongkhak.
This is a mathematical lesson of Key Stage 1 from classes 2.
PP2 3.
Topic of our lesson today is representing numbers and writing numbers in numeral words. Objective for our today's lesson is number 1, writing the numbers correctly. Number 2, writing the numbers in words correctly. Today, since we are doing a writing activity, children, you need to get ready with a book, a pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener. As we have already learned numbers counting, let's see how many of us can count the numbers. Remember to count the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. You have been doing great. Today, let's see how to write these numbers. Are you ready with your books? Look at this number. Yes, this is 1. Now, let's see how we write this number. You have to follow the arrow and write down in your book. See, this goes like this. Up, down. Once again, up, down. You do it again. Here, we are writing numbers 2 now. Follow the arrow here. Follow the arrow. Try again. Follow the arrow. You try it yourself. Good. Let's look at number 3 now. Look at this. This is number 3. Let's see how we write number 3. Follow the arrow again here. Follow the arrow. Do it again. Follow the arrow. Now it's your turn to try writing number 3. Good. Now let's look at another number. Number 4. Let's see how we write number 4. You always follow the arrow while you write the numbers. Are you getting me? Follow the arrows. Here, let's go. Down, go straight. And you start from the top again and then come down. Once again, come down, straight, and come straight down. Did you get that? You try it yourself again. That's great. You're doing good. Let's see now. We are going to write number 5. Yes, number 5. Let's see how we write the numbers now. Look here. See, first, follow the arrow from here. Go straight there. Come back. Go down and go all down. Here we go again. Go. Put your pencil here. Are you getting that? Do it yourself now. Okay, we have been doing great with number 1 to 5. Are you doing good? Good. Let's look at next number. What number is this? 6. Good. Now, let's see how we write the number 6. Okay, how we write number 6. Look at my hand. Follow the arrow. Come down and go up and round. Once again, come down, go up and round. You try it yourself. Write number 6 in your notebook. Good. Now, let's look at another number. What number is this? Number 7. Yes, this is number 7. Look at how I write the number. Okay? Follow the arrow again. Go start from here. Straight, come down. Don't go straight, but come little slanting towards yourself. Do it again. Put your pencil here. Follow the arrow and come little slanting towards yourself. Don't go straight down. Are you getting me? Okay, try it yourself. Okay, now we have 8 here. Follow the arrow again. Look at me and then follow the arrow. Start from the top, come down, round, go down, and when you reach here, come up and join the top. Do it again. Let's start from the top. Follow the arrow. You will see arrows. Follow the arrows. Okay, start from here, go down, come round, reaching here, go up, and then join the top. Are you getting me? You try it yourself. Try as much as you can and see how your 8 comes out. Good. Now, writing number 9 will be very easy for you since you know how to write number 8. Now look at this number 9. Now look at how we write number 9. See, writing number 9 is very easy now. Follow from here, come round and go up and straight down. Let's do it again. Come here, start from here, go round, up and down. Are you getting me? Good. Now try it in your notebook. Write as much as you can. Writing will make you perfect. Okay? Okay, we have finished writing numbers from 1 to 9. Now, number 10. See, number 10. When you look at this number, you will see 1 and 0. So to write 10, you need 1 and 0. But you have not learned how to write 0. So, we are going to see how we are going to write number 0. By the way, do you know how to write O in English? It's same like writing O. Let's look here. See, follow the arrow here again. Follow the arrow. Start from the top, go round and join the first arrow. Are you getting me? Let's do it again. Start from here, go round and finished at the first point. This is how we write 0. Now you know how to write numbers from 0 to 9. You can write so many numbers with all these numbers. Let's practice more now.
Okay, now let's move to some higher numbers. Now, well children, can you look here? What is this? Yes, it is a 10 frame. And you have learnt it last time also why we call it as a 10 frame. Because we have 5 spaces on the top and 5 spaces below. So that means 5 and 5 is 10. So do we need to count the 10 frame here? No. Why? Because in 10 frame there are only 10 spaces and you can see all the spaces are full. So that means it is a 10. And to write 10, we write it as 1, 0, 10. Once more, 1, 0, 10. Now, can we move to next number? Okay, how many 10 frame here? 2 10 frames. How many? 2 10 frames. So whenever there are 2 10 frames, we call it as a double 10 frame. Can you all say it once more? Double 10 frame. Now, if you look at this 10 frame, you will see one 10 frame is full. That means, do we need to count? Yes, we don't need to count because when it is full means it is 10. So 10 and how many more? In the next 10 frame, 1. Only one counter is there in the second 10 frame. So that means 10 and one more is 11. So when we write 11, we write it as 1, 1, 11. Once more, 1, 1, 11. Okay, now let's go to another 10 frames. So here also there are two 10 frames. Yes, how many 10 frames? Two 10 frames. So like before, you can see the first 10 frame is already full. So that means 10, no need to count. But in the second 10 frame, as it is not full, we'll count. Okay, count the counters. Can we count? 1, 2, 3. So how many in the next 10 frames? Second 10 frame? There are 3 counters. So 10 and 3 more is 13. Once more, 10 and 3 more is 13. So when we write 13, we write 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Now let's go with the counts of tens that you have learned before. So if you know the counts of tens, then it will be very easy for you to write the numbers from 10 to 100. Okay, now first of all, let's go to the counts of tens. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now if you look at the counts of tens pattern, you will see all the ones place numbers are 0. They are all 0. Then in the tens place value, you will see it is increasing by 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, so that's how the counts of tens is done. So if you know that one, then it's very easy for you to count from tens to 100. Okay, now can you look here? What are these? Okay, these are what? 10 frames. How many tens frames are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. Now you will see that two 10 frames are full. So that means, do we need to count? You can only do it by doing counts of tens. So that means 10, 20. Once more, 10, 20. Then how many counters in the third 10 frame? Only 1. So that means we will directly write 20 and 1 more is 21. Once more, 20 and 1 more is 21. So when we write 21, we write it as 2, 1, 21. Once more, 2, 1, 21. Now you might have felt very tired. So we'll do one activity before going to the next lesson. Can you all look here? What are these? These are base 10 blocks. And you know why we call them as base 10 blocks? Because see, whenever we put the blocks in tens, it changes to the next place value numbers. So if you look at this one, here, this one is a ones block. So if we pile up ones block 10, then it becomes tens block. So can you look here? Okay, how many tens block are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens block means 30. So how do we write 30? Yes, 30, 30. 30, 30. Then how many ones block? 1. So when we put them together, we write it as 31. 3, 1, 31. Now can you look at another example here? Okay. Can you look there and think of yourself what number it is? Can you look? Okay, that means let's do it together now. How many tens block are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 tens block. That means 4 tens means how many? 40, yes? So we write 4, 0, 40 below the tens block. Then how many ones block are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones block? 4. So here 40 and 4 more is 44. So how do we write 44? 4, 4, 44. 4, 4, 44. Now I have another activity. Here in this activity you have to fill up the 100 chart. You have to fill up 100 chart. So when you fill up 100 chart, we will first do some together, then rest of the blanks you will have to do it by yourself. Are you ready? Can you all look here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23. Now here's a blank. What number do you think it will be? After 23 comes what? Yes, 24. What number? 24. So how do we write 24? 2, 4, 24. Then 25. Then after 25 comes which number? 26. So how do we write 26? 2, 6, 26. Then 27. Then again next is blank. Which number comes after 27? Yes. So next after 7 comes which number? 8. So before number 10's number is which one? 2. So 2, 8, 28. Once more. 2, 8, 28. 29, 30. Now there are many blanks there. You can see it as. So can you try it by yourself? So hope you will be able to do it, okay? Let us move to some higher numbers. 100 to 1000. Now when you write 100 to 1000, first let us look at the shapes given here. What are these? So they are pasted blocks. Can you look here? These are 100 blocks. What blocks are these? 100 blocks. So this represents 100. So whenever you write hundreds, how do we write 100? 1, 0, 0, 100. Once more, 1, 0, 0, 100. So in the same way, here also you have to follow the pattern. So when we are writing 100, we wrote 1, 0, 0, 100. Yes. Now next number, when you write 101, you write 1, 0, 1. That is 101. Then when you write 102, you write 1, 0, 2. That is 102. Then 1, 0, 3. That is 103. 1, 0, 4. That is 104. Now in the same way as you had been following the pattern in the previous numbers, here also you have to follow the patterns. So here in the 100 place value, it is all 1, 1, 1. Then in the middle one, tens place value, that is all 0. Then in the ones place value, it goes on increasing by 1. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes? So it is following the same pattern that you had followed before. Now when it reaches 109, that is 109 is 109. When you go to next number, that 9 changes to 10. Yes? How do you write 10? Yes, 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. So when you write 110, you have to write it as 1, 1, 0 is 110. 1, 1, 0. That is 110. Now when you write 111, you have to write 1, 1, 1 is 111. Again 1, 1, 1, that is 111. So here also the pattern you have to follow is 1 remains same, and then in the tens and ones the number changes. Like if you look here, first is 10, yes, 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 2, 12. So it is 112. So in this pattern, it goes on increasing till it becomes 119. So when you write 119, how do you write? 1, 1, 9 is 119. Once more, 9 is 119. So after 19 comes which number? 20. Yes, that is 20. So when you write 120, you have to write 120 120. 120. So till you reach 199, you have to follow the same pattern that you had followed when you wrote numbers from 1 to 100. So here also it will become 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190. So you have to follow the same pattern till 199, then it changes to 200. So when you write 200, you have to write 200, 200. 200, 200. Pattern that you had been following from 101 to 199, in the same pattern you have to follow for 200. Also changes the number 2. So that's how you go on until you reach to 999. So when you write 999, you write 999 is 999. Then you write is 1000. Like in number, two-digit numbers, your 99 changes to 100. Yes? That is 100 is 100. In the same way, when the numbers 999 comes, the next number is 1000. So there you write 1, then 3 zeros. That is 1000. 1000. I repeat, 1000 is 1000. So hope you have learned how to write the numbers from 1 to 1000.
Since we have been writing numbers from 1 to 1000, we also need to know how to write these numbers in words. So let's start with number 1. Look here. See, we have number 1 here. To write this number in word, you have to use these letters. So O, N, E, 1. Likewise, we have number 2. To write this number 2, we have TWO2. And to write number 3, you have to use THREE3. Now, let's see how you do that. I'm going to tell you the number and word will be here. Please spell with me. Are you ready? Look here. 4. Okay, do this. Good, you are doing great. Next letter. 5. Read the word. 6. Next we have 6. S-I-X. 6. Are you getting me? Now we have 7 here. And this is how we write 7. Next, we have 8. Do you see how it's written here? It's E-I-G-H-T. Yes, 8. 9. And this is how you are going to write. Are we writing?
Okay, children, let's look at this number. 10. Yes, it's 10. Now, let's see how we write number words for 10. T, E, and 10. Let's spell it again. T, E, and 10.
Now we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, do you get that? We have these numbers. Now see how you are going to write these numbers in word from 11 to 19. Since we have been writing number word from 1 to 19, you must be thinking how to go about writing from 20 to 100. Now, since you know how to write number 20, it's TWENTY 20. Then for 30, it's THIRTY 30. Next, look here, it's on the screen, 40, FORTY 40. Then next we have 50, FIFTY 50. Next 60, what do you think it could be? SIXTY 60. Next we have 70, SEVENTY 70. Next we have 80, EIGHTY 80. Then we have 90. It's NINETY 90. And finally we have 100. So it's HUNDRED 100. Now you know how to write these numbers from 20 to 100 in tens. See, you know how to write. Let's repeat this again. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now, you must be wondering how you are going to write number 21. It's very easy here. You just have to remember 20. Do you know how to spell 20? Great. It's TWENTY 20. And remember, you know how to write 1? ONE 1. So 20 and 1 is 21. Do you get me? 20 and 1 is 21. So this is how you write number words for 21. Similarly, to write numbers like 35. Here you just have to remember number 30 and 5. What is the spelling for 30? Good. Then 5. Good. Now let's put these two together and say 35. Good. You're doing good. Now, how about writing number 48? 48. To write 40, you have to remember the spelling of 40. Then just remember the 8. Put this together, 48. Yes, you are doing good. Now, how about number 51? Can you write yourself? Good. Then try with number 60 till number 99. By the way, how do we write 99? Just remember how you are going to write 90 and then 9. So 90 and 9 you just put together to make 99. Don't you think it's easier now? Okay, now since we are with the last number 100. So when you write this 100, you write 1, then you remember the word for 100, HUNDRED. So put this 1 and 100 together to write the number words for 100. Since you know the number words from 1 to 100, now it's going to be very easy for you to write numbers from 100. For example, let's see how we write number 101. See, to write 101, you just have to remember the spelling of 100, then 1. Put these two numbers together, words together, 100 and 1. See, it's very easy for you to write these numbers. Now, let's try with 202. You already know the spelling of 2, then you know the spelling of 100. So, putting this 202 is going to be very easy for you. So, see, 202. So, this is how you write the words for the numbers. Now, if you want to write word for 507, can you do this? 500. Then you just have to remember 7 and put this 507 together will give you 507. So this is how you're going to write the number words. Now, for the final one, let's look at the number words for 1,000. 1,000. Look at this number. 1,000. Now to write number words for this number, you have to write like this. 1,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-T. 1,000. So to write number 1,000, you just have to remember 1, O-N-E, 1, and 1,000. Put this 1 and 1,000 together. That gives you 1,000. Good. Now, sitting there, you will try writing from number 1,000 to numbers till you can remember yourself. Keep trying until you are tired. Now, let's look at how many things we have been doing today. First thing, we have been writing numbers from 1 to 1,000. Next, we have been writing words. Writing these numbers in words from 1 to 1,000. Hope you will try more writing these numbers and numbers word for these numbers. Be safe, wash your hands and keep practicing.